So guys, so my mom just said that I could get this game. Oh frick, that's loud, that's loud, that's loud. That's weird. But it does sound kind of fun. I didn't even read it, honestly. Settings, setting. There. So, no. 50. Okay, so, this is strange. Okay, what's this? Lucy. Why am I Lucy? That's literally my cousin's name. I actually am so confused. Special area. I've seen a lot of YouTubers play this. I honestly am so confused. Okay, so also, guys, by the way, guys, this game is called, what was it called? My Voice Zoo. Oh, frick, I didn't even read that. Duck. Yas. Donald. I'm just kidding. What could I say? Ducky. Yas. That's your name. Recording for 3 seconds. Oh, I think I know what I'm gonna say. Okay, give me a second. Okay, I think I got it. Help, I'm in the body of a duck. I'm gonna die. Hi. Oh, I can pick you up. Oh my god. I'm in the body of a duck. I'm gonna die. Can I put you in the water? Help, please get away from me. I'm gonna die. Oh god. I already regret doing this. Okay, floats just fine on the water, but on land it looks like it had a few drinks. Okay, yeah, that's what I was supposed to read. Oh wait, I could literally just skip it. When you can't sleep at night, well, you know what comes next. Is that a goat? Oh, it's a sheep. I'm an idiot. Sorry. Okay, anyway. I'm pretty sure the game that we did play, Amanda the Adventure, I still haven't completed that, but yeah. Wooly. Teehee. Okay, okay, I'm trying to think of something funny. I mean, meh. I need to regret my I mean, meh. I'm already dying. I mean, meh. Give me a second. Okay, sorry, my sister was waking up for a second. Now she went back to sleep. Okay, goat. I didn't even realize.
Me.
I'm gonna name it Dasher. I don't know. I'm honestly confused. Okay. I'm already regretting my life choices. Okay. Papa, is that you? Oh, wait, no. Duck. It doesn't even want to talk to me. I understand.
Oh, Papa, is that you? Oh, wait, no.
Oh, wait, no. Oh, wait, I didn't even... How did they not follow up those cuts? Oh, I'm going to be reading this. I don't know why. I'm just like, frick this. That look in its eyes already is scheming something. It looks like a dog. Like I'm not oh, it's a fox. Elga. What the frick? D-Hill. D-Hill. I'm already making jokes. Trash jokes. Foxy. Foxy. What if I just get the actual sound of Foxy running down? No, 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 I swear. I could do the song. What did the Foxy? I'm gonna actually cry. That chicken is going to be my dinner if he doesn't shut up. That chicken is going to be. Please.
Papa, is that you?
Papa,
Is that
I'm sorry.
I'm checking melatonin. I need to check you go to bed. It's 12 o'clock.
Okay, love you, Maddie. Because I had to take my melatonin. Anyway.
I mean, help, I'm in the body of a dog. Oh, wait, no.
Oh, wait.
If he doesn't shut up. Is that you? Oh, wait, no. That chicken is going to be my dinner if he doesn't shut up. I'm in the body of a duck. My dinner if he doesn't shut up. Duck. That chicken is going to be my dinner if he doesn't shut up. I'm in the body of a duck. That chicken is going to be my dinner if he doesn't shut up. I'm in the body of a duck. That chicken is going to be my dinner if he doesn't shut up. That chicken is going to be my dinner if he doesn't shut up.
I'm gonna die.
That chicken is going to be my dinner if he doesn't shut up. I'm in the body of a duck. That chicken is going to be my dinner if he doesn't shut up. I'm in the body of
I'm
a
gonna
duck.
die.
That
Wait, what if I
chicken
put
is
them
going
all
to be my
together?
dinner if he doesn't shut up. Is that you? Oh, wait, no. That chicken is going to be my dinner if he doesn't shut up.
Papa. Papa.
Help, I'm in the body of a duck.
Hope I'm in the body of a duck. Okay, freezing cold out here, so why the tux? I don't know. Oh, it's a penguin. Pengy, that's the name. Pengy. I don't know. I thought that would be like dolphin. Oh, come on. Sing to me, you beautiful, beautiful animal. I'm just kidding. Why does it actually sound pretty good? I don't know.
That chicken.
Why is it going just like that? This right here is the mouth. Okay. Huge tusks and all, yet it's just napping away. No idea. Walrus. Wally, if you're watching this video, this is I forgot how to spell it. I'm just gonna spell it like that. I'm gonna go over, eat some shells, and then eat. Oh my god. Wait. Can I do it again? Oh, I can. Oh, frick. Oh, no, no. Wait, I know. There. That one was... It's like his tusks, you know? You know?
That chicken is going to be my dinner if he doesn't shut up. I'm in the body of
Papa. Apex predator of the Arctic sipping on a cola instead. Oh, that's a polar bear, right? Right? Yes, I finally guessed one. Coca-Cola. Hi, I'm from the Coca-Cola ad. Wait, no. Hi, I'm from the Coca-Cola ad. I mean, why don't y'all guys want to talk to me? Speak.
Hi, I'm from the Coca-Cola ad. I mean,
I love this game. This is my new favorite game.
hi, I'm from the
Oh
Coca-Cola
my
ad.
god. Oh my god. Ew. Okay, wait, let me check what else we... Oh, yeah, I forgot about this. Should I get this? I am so confused. I feel like I should get this one or this one. I don't know. I love snowy things, so I might get that one, but they're so expensive. Okay, they're making me money though, so keep what you're doing. Oh my god. Kids, stop leaving and boom, suddenly unemployment. I don't understand. Wait, but I'm so close to the camp. Nah, I'm not gonna do it yet. Can I literally just go down to like, oh my god, that's a lot. Thank you so much. I can literally adopt this one. Wait, and that's disappointing. Like I went
I mean, meh.
Speak.
I mean, meh.
Wait a minute. Wait. I'm gonna do something. 1 second. I found out that you could actually do the thing. Like you could like do a different voice for them. So I'm gonna see. You ready?
Papa, is that you? Oh wait, no, I am not your papa, idiot. Help! I'm in the body of a duck. That chicken is going to be my dinner if he doesn't shut.
We still got one more. Penguin, get your butt over here. Pangy.
Papa, is that you? Oh wait, no, I am
Oh,
not
wait,
your
no.
papa, idiot. Help! I'm in the body of a duck. That chicken is going to be my dinner if he doesn't shut.
I feel like I did good on like the penguin. I honestly don't know. Why does it look like I'd buy this? Duck enthusiast. Duck cries. So everyone would sound like this duck right here.
Help! I'm in the body of a duck.
I'm in the body of a duck. This is my favorite one. Pangy. Kind of sounds like a dolphin.
Did you take your own home?
I did.
You promise?
I promise.
No.
Thank you. Anyway, I kidnapped you. Oh frick! Come, I need you to go back to your. Wait. I'm gonna put all my favorite ones in here. I'm gonna put my favorite ones up here. Right, here we go. Reindeer. I read this already, don't worry. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. How do I spell Rudolph? Rodolph. Rudolph. I have a very shiny nose. I don't know.
I have a very shiny nose.
Let me think.
I have a very
No,
shiny
shut up. I kind of punched a kid and now I'm unemployed. You're my favorite Pangy. It's an unemployment. I'm not going there. Okay. Never tell it a secret. You'll regret it. Is that a toucan? I love toucans. They're adorable. Thank you. Parrot. Oh. I love parrots too. Polly, want a cracker? Oh, I know where this is. I literally was just here. I don't even know how I did that penguin voice. How did I do that? Okay, anyway. Polly, want a cracker? Polo. Oh no, Polo. Polo the parrot. My mother told me I was the biggest mistake of my life. Oh wait, no. My mother told me I was the biggest mistake of my life. Oh my god. My mother told me I was the biggest mistake of her life. There we go. My mother told me I was the biggest mistake of her life.
I kind of punched a kid and now.
My mother told me I was the biggest mistake of her life. My mother told me I was the biggest mistake of her life. Shut up. Why are you so loud? I love Pangy. Literally places them in the forest. There, stay there. Be cute, or else I will punch you. I'm just kidding. I would never punch you. You're too adorable. Striking runway poses in the middle of a lake, but why? To look embarrassing. Flamingo. Sassiness. I honestly don't know. I'm sorry for any flamingo fans. But anyway, let me think. Wait, give me a second. I'm trying to think. Okay, I did it. I know. Hey. Speak.
Hey, my girl. Hop.
How about you go into the lake and then drown? Shut up. Please. I could get one of these. Day and night, they swapped, and they really committed to it. Owl. I love owls. Oh, wait, I'm actually really good at owl voices. I think I don't know. That's definitely bad. No. Could I move these guys anywhere else? Papa, is that you? Go into the mistake pile. Must be a hobby hovering up high and looking down on everyone. Egat. I am an eel. I'm sorry. I have a problem sometimes. Oh my god. Why? Oh my god. Papa.
I am an eel.
I'm gonna cry. So the throne of the savannah is guarded by taking naps. I think I know where this is. Taiki. Oh, it's a lion. I'm an idiot. Okay. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Sing to me. I'm sorry. I literally was just in here. Speak. Why is that actually accurate? You're part of the group. Actually, let me go get Eagle. Eagle. Gotcha.
I am an eel.
Wait, let's listen.
I am an eel.
I'm gonna go cry to sleep. Cry to sleep. I'ma go cry to sleep. Then I'm gonna know. Since one is a nose, also a hand. I don't know. 2100, 2500 yawns. I might have to continue this game later. How much fun? Wait, what? I'm already almost done getting all of them? No. It's scary. I think that's scary. Hopefully it is. It's scary, this snail. Rhino. What does a rhino actually sound like? Deadly horn. Okay, give me a second. Let me just... I don't know. Okay, now I'm gonna see how accurate I was. So... Oh, I forgot about this. I'm trying to see if I can save. I think it automatically saves. But, just gonna go over and see. What does a rhino actually sound like? I was pretty off. That's terrifying. Don't ask why I have this. I honestly don't know. My voice is 26 minutes. And yet I already, oh yeah. Unlocked achievement. I think I only have them turned off, but get your mic and voice ready. I actually don't remember saying. Pangy. No, get away. Yep. It saved. I was so off. I literally thought they sounded so adorable. No. You're coming to the family. You're in the club. Wait.
am an eel.
I actually don't know which one. I know what penguins actually sound like, but like, literally. Just literally. Anyway, time to go over and, oh my god, I didn't even know this. Okay, so yeah, I already read this. Teehee. Elephant. Why did I not guess that? Can I just roast these animals? No. I'm gonna name it Ellie. I don't know if that's how you spell Ellie, but I don't give a frick. I don't know why, but every single time I'm in my room, I feel like I'm being watched. I'm sorry, but like, I'm sorry this is nightmare fuel, but like, I'm sorry. But yeah, that's just what I normally feel. Okay. I have a massive trump. And do you want to know what else is massive? I did. Wait, I was trying to do that one thing where I was like, do you know what else is massive? You know, that one meme?
I have a massive trunk. And do you want to know what else?
Wait, I know. My trump is also used for a hand. My trump is used for a hand, and I can grab something. No, that sounds bad. I don't think I can post that. But, let me think. I mean, I don't know. I don't know. Speak to me. Speak to me. Speak to me.
I don't know.
Go. You're not joining the club. You're not adorable. Oh my god, you're literally... Papa? Is that you? Papa?
I am an eel.
Wait. Fucking go, jeez. Is that a frog? It's a frog, isn't it? I hope it's a frog. No, no, no. We're not gonna... No, no. I have four things I could choose. I think I can get these two. Yawns. Sorry. Wait, can I just... $108 coins? Okay, I'm just so confused. Oh yeah, I could do this. I don't really want to do it yet. Anyway, I'm actually really confused. I don't want that. Oh my god. No, I'm so close to being able to get this, but I don't want to get it yet. I don't know. Ooh, or I could get the Windy Hill. This is my favorite. Pengy. That literally sounds so accurate, I think. Wait, can I make it sound faded? No, but I feel like that there should be like one in here. That says duck enthusiast or something. Whatever. Oh, I could get Windy Hill. I think that's what it was called, right? Yes, Windy Hill. For once, my memory worked with me. I'm thinking. I have no idea what to do. Because, like, I'm so close to being able to get Echo Cave. Right? Echo Cave. Yay, my memory is actually working today. You know what, if I'm able to get the frog, I'm gonna go over and do something. I don't know. I'm so bored. Froggy. Oh, I could adopt it. Yay. No. I'm not adopting you. So slow, unbelievably, impossibly slow. Should I just buy that to get it out of the way? No. Woof. Tiger? Oh, cow, Gary, donkey, I think. No idea. I want this so bad. Oh, wait, I can get the Echo Cave. I want to get, like, all of the, like, hardest ones to get first. And then, you know, I'm thinking. Yeah, I'm just gonna buy it. Oh, it goes down there. Hey. Piggy, you're coming with me. You could never get scary. Like, I was just saying, you could never. Go. Nope, 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 nope. Nope, 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 nope. That's a demon, that's a demon. Jerk. That is a demon. You know what, guys? I'm just gonna leave it there because I am terrified now. And yeah, I will see y'all tomorrow. Peace, and I will continue this game tomorrow. I promise. See ya. Peace.